Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create duets on TikTok. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. From there, you can use your credentials or your social media accounts to log into TikTok right away. Now, after you log in, you will once again end up in the homepage. Now, from the homepage, if you wish to make duets, then after you find the video on which you want to duet, simply tap on the share option at the bottom right corner. From the share toolbar, you will be able to find the duet option. Just tap on duet, and now this will process the video so that you can make a duet with this user side by side. Now you will be allowed to make your video. You can choose the style of duets by either choosing a background style, side by side, a picture-in-picture style, and also up and down. After choosing your orientation, you can also choose the effect that you want to add on the top overlay of your video. There are also a few other options such as filter, the beautify option, and timer as well. Just proceed forward with recording the video that you want to duet on. And once you have made the video, just tap on the tick mark. And now you can click through the next button or add a few more effects if you wish in order to post your duet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make a duet on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.